Good morning, good evening, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we have come to Disneyland. I'll show you what it looks like. Right, are you excited to get on some rides?
Maybe. It's not really Disney's typical ride. No,
it's not Disney's typical rides, and it's quite, we've been told it's quite a sketchy theme park as well, but we're excited to go and try some stuff out. Oh, this place is sick. It's all like lit up and stuff. What do you think? First impressions?
Random.
Random, yeah, definitely. I'm not being funny. I don't think personally that is something that should be at Disneyland. What do you? It's not something that should be at Disneyland.
It looks a bit creepy.
I think that is a fever dream. I'd see that in my nightmares.
Yeah.
That is something you see in your nightmares, not now. Yeah, that just looks extremely sketcy. Everything sounds like it needs WD-40 on it as well.
Look at the rust.
Can I zoom in on the rust, do you reckon?
There's like a bit here.
Where? Oh, there. Oh yeah, that. Yeah. Is that gonna go? That's gonna go all the way over, isn't it?
I think so.
Oh my god. Can you hear that conky noise? Oh shit. Oh no, that looks fun. Oh no, that looks fun. I reckon we gotta give that a go.
That is even no.
That's gotta go. We've gotta go on that. Oh, that goes at some speed. Oh my god, that goes at some speed. Yes, I'm doing that. That's a yes. No. Oh my god, it's noisy. The noise! Is that a little more tame? Do you feel like you could go on that?
Roller skating.
Roller skating. No? So you're gonna go on the big one with me then? No. No. Can you see the speed that that's going, guys? That is crazy.
Wow.
That is crazy. Right, I think we get tickets then. I think for that one over there, the crazy one over there, I'll do that one. I'll do that one. I think me and you then do that, and we do the pirate ship. Okay. All right, come on, let's go get some tickets. Oh, that thing looks dirty. That thing is awful.
A thing of nightmares.
That is like a sleep paralysis demon. 200 rupees, so what, like a couple of quid, and I'm gonna go on that. And you're not going on it, you're just gonna film?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Great fun.
It's crazy. It's not comfortable. What's he expecting? This thing is probably so old. Parents and grandparents, just look away for this bit.
God. Okay, I'm on. Right, for the content. This is all for the content. Oh my god. Okay, I can do this. It makes a horrible noise. I don't even think this goes down far enough. It's hurting my shoulders. Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. Oh great, yeah, they tie a bit of string over the top, buzzing. Can't wait.
Hello bro, how are you? You guys so ready? Oh, you are from Pokhara. Like a booster fish.
Are you going next? Is someone going next to me? England.
Oh my.
Oh, see you, mate.
Are you alone?
Huh?
Are you alone?
Sorry?
Are you alone?
Oh, no, no, YouTube.
What?
YouTube. You getting here? Good lad.
Can I come with you?
Yeah. Which camera?
You are YouTuber.
Yeah.
What is your channel name?
I'll get out for you. You got afterwards. Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, where are you going?
Yeah, what?
Why?
Oh, we wanted to come and try this place out. See what it's like.
Get out!
Have you been on this before?
What?
Have you been on this before?
No.
No.
First time.
Oh, okay.
You're also?
Yeah.
That's it, walk in.
Huh? Yeah.
Walk in. Yeah. Very beautiful.
Hello guys, I am under
Oh my god, my shoulders.
Oh. Oh.
What'd you think of that, bro?
What?
What'd you think? Good?
Yes. First time doing that.
Yeah, it was fun, man. It's literally, oh that was horrible. It was literally pushing on my shoulders. I was too big for it. I didn't fit, man.
Didn't surprise me.
Mate, that was awful. I'm never doing anything like that again in my life. Don't ever ask me to do anything. That was all for you lot. I never ever do anything like that again. I just want something quiet now.
Quiet.
Oh, this is nice. This is more tame. Oh, wow. Apart from the doors being open.
Yeah, why are the sides open?
Oh, I don't like, no, I'm getting flashbacks again. I'm getting flashbacks again.
It's going quite...
No, I don't like it, I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
I don't like it. No, I don't like it, George. George, I don't like it. No, I don't like it.
Why is it going
no, I don't like it, it's going fast.
No. Stop doing that.
No. No, I don't like it.
Why is it
no, I don't like it, it's going fast. No. Oh, mate. There's no doors on the thing. No, I don't. Why do we come here? Hey, this Mickey Mouse does not sanction things like this.
Oh my belly.
How long do we stay? How long? Oh, it's turning! Oh God, it's shaking! Oh, it's shaking! It's shaking! It's shaking! It's shaking! Oh, it's shaking! It's shaking! It's shaking! It's shaking! Oh my God, we're facing! We're facing!
Is it getting bigger?
Oh my God! No, because it's aiming towards me!
I don't like it. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Can we get off yet?
At least it's pretty. At least it's pretty. It's nice to look at least.
Oh my God! I don't like it.
I can't deal. Oh my God! It's the fact there's no door. Look how quick we're going.
Oh, and it goes quick.
Oh!
No, belly.
Oh! Oh!
What the hell is this? This isn't my dreams come true. George, the things come off! Oh, you have to hold it. I just have to hold it. Oh, I don't want to be here anymore. Why did that come
You
off?
said this was going to be a cute date night. This isn't a cute date night.
What was saying about
Oh!
That was awful.
I look pale. I feel ill, man.
That was so bad.
I feel so ill.
That's the most unsafe thing we've ever been on.
I've done 2 rides. One has tried to physically break me. The other, the safety bars come off and tried to throw me out.
Literally.
How is this place allowed to be open?
God knows.
Everything here just sounds like it's going to break.
Yeah.
Like that would just make me feel sick. I just feel so sick going on that. Can you? Oh, it spins more. Look. That's just making me feel ill. I can't.
Don't go on now.
No.
Wow. That's that done.
I have no words.
No.
We spent about £4 for 2 rides, and I'm glad that we came out with our lives.
Yes, that was not safe, but fun.
It wasn't fun. Nothing about that was fun at all. It was horrible.
Yeah.
I hated every single moment of it.
If we didn't feel sick, we probably would have gone on something else.
No. As soon as the belt come off of the spinning wheel, I'm not going on anything else. Everything needs WD-40, everything squeaks. If you're going to come here, just be prepared that you're probably
risking your life.
Risking your lives, yeah. Yeah, definitely that. Well, I give it a 2 out of 10.
Yeah, that is not Mickey Mouse's dream.
That is not Mickey Mouse's dream house at all. I can't see Disney going to Nepal anytime soon if there's fair rides like this.
No.
But anyway, we're going to end this video here because I think I need to go and throw up.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. If you have enjoyed, then please make sure to leave us a like, ding dong the notification bell, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.